welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is going to be an power hour video. I have a few things that I need to get done around the house, and I made a little checklist so that I can try to stay focused, because knowing me, I get in the zone of cleaning and I find myself doing some of everything else. So I made a list. I'm gonna try my best to stick to the list, and I'm gonna try my best to get it done in an hour. So stay tuned, enjoy the video.
But we go and we run to the end, and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end, and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card, you don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level if you let go. Boy.
So far, so good. I am on track with time, and I have finally completed one of the items on my to-do list, and I have 3 more to go.
You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save take it slow, you know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow, you know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go,
I have came to the least favorite part of this cleaning video, which is dusting. I absolutely hate dusting. Why? Because it makes me sneeze. But everybody know that dusting is something that has to be done at least weekly because it accumulates over time so quickly. So with that being said, someone has to do it, and I guess that would be me.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream.
So I have washed dishes, dust, swept, and cleaned my half bath. I am about 45 minutes in. I don't believe I am going to make it, but nevertheless, I'm still gonna get it done.
Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. some brighter days. Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while, stay by my side. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see.
Okay, so I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. This Osita mop is amazing. You hear me? Like, I know I have dark hardwood floors and it don't look like they are dirty, but they were filthy. Like, look at the water. Like, the Osita mop is where it's at. Like, I will suggest it to anybody. Like, it is hands down amazing. I have the Bona, but the Bona do not pick up dirt like this Osita mop. Like, this is legit the best.
You will never ride back to life. I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me.
I finally got everything on my to-do list done. Yes, it took me more than an hour. It took me an hour and 25 minutes. Nevertheless, I still got it done, and with me making a to-do list, I was able to stick to the list, because I'll be drifting off and I will be doing every other cleaning besides what's on the list. So this is a great idea for anybody who have like little small projects that they want to do in their house for as cleaning. Just make your list, stick to the list, set your time frame on when you want it done, and there you go. Simple and easy. I really hope this video uplifts somebody, motivated somebody to want to get up, to clean, to set a goal, to get something done in their house, because it definitely put me in a cleaning mood, because after this video, I was on 10. I went on to clean the rest of the part of the house because I was so energized. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. Go support your girl. I have more videos like this. I have other videos that's coming out and you don't want to miss it. So with that being said, I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video, continue watching to the end, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind